Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Baby girl, I can't believe you're 26 years old today. You're beautiful, strong, confident, and smart, and a super mom at that. I hope you know how incredibly proud I am of you. I wish you all of God's blessings in this new age. Whatever your wishes are for this new age, in the mighty name of Jesus Christ, they will come through for you. May God make all your paths smooth, such that every blessing designed and sent in your name locate you. Happy birthday and stay blessed. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. It's Nomi Salila here with a very beautiful face, and if you're joining me for the very first time, welcome and welcome, honey. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back, honey. So guys, today I'm very excited. It's Saturday. What's the date today? Didn't date number? 7. The 7th of October, and we are going on a weekend away, staycation. Okay, it's literally here, not away, but it's 5 minutes away. But Oksalayo, we're going away for the weekend. Sorry guys, I got a call. Sabi? Ipe papa? How gorgeous, guys. We have arrived. How gorgeous is this place? Ooh. And of course, ooh, guys, the views are amazing here. Jongan. Pretty. I feel pretty and oh, na 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 na. Hey guys, so the lighting inside is a bit horrible, but I just want to quickly give you a quick house tour. But okay, guys, you have to bear with me because of the lighting. And akumbane up. Takusetshenziswa I don't know. Okay, so let me quickly show you how the house looks like.
Persian rose, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. No party, I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn you on. I wanna make you. That's the least I'ma do. Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing your orange in your feel. Feel it, baby, can you feel it, baby? Can you feel it, baby? Can you feel it, baby? Ooh. Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing your orange in your feel. Feel it, baby, can you feel it, baby? Can you feel it, baby? Can you feel it, baby? Oh, baby. Can you feel it, baby? 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 Can you feel it, baby? Just wanna chill with you. No, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn you on. I wanna let you. That's the least I'ma do. Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing your orange.
Second bedroom. Apo. Apo. Okay. Okay, basically looks the same.
Original bad man, you don't know.
It's Vlogtober.
Standard. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, no. Baby, I can smoke it all. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Girls, them are random. Me I feel.
Yeah. Yes. Yes. Is that for me? Yeah? What? Oh yeah. Anyway.
Persian rose, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up? Are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. No party. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn you on. I wanna let you. That's how these summer do. Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing your orange in your bed. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, babe? Can you feel it, babe? Can you feel it, babe? Ooh. Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing your orange in your bed. Feel it, babe, can you feel me, babe? Can you feel me, babe? Can you feel me, babe? Oh. Feel me, babe. Can you feel me, babe? 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 Feel me, babe. I don't just wanna chill with you. No, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn you on. I wanna let you. That's how these summer do. Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing your orange in your bed. Feel it, babe, can you feel me, babe?
Nom nom nom. Nom 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 nom. Hapo. Yapi? Yapi? Butsotsi.
Dum. Aye.
That is starting to rain. The wizard. Sana. Enye ichile. Because the level of beverage consumption is all. Child.
Yeah, that's a mess.
Original bad man, you done know.
It's fake news.
Standard.
Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, no. Baby, I can smoke it all. Yeah. Say now you I want to see. When I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel. Anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me. And I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me. And I be feeling you. Oh. Baby, make you ginger me. And I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me. And I be feeling you. Oh. Girls, them are random. Me I fit to turn them down. Anywhere we go. See them be hating now. She carry you. Her body amazing, oh. My baby, oh. I go love you forever, oh. Girl, for your body, I'm a risk it. I'm a risk it. Chop your body, girl, like a biscuit. Like a biscuit. Oh yeah, dark she jeje. No they do me, she get. You wanna come move fair. Now you I want to. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, no. Baby, I can smoke it all. Yeah. Say now you I want to see. When I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel. Anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Mine mnandi kuwe, mine mnandi kuwe. Hip hip, hooray! Yes, Don. Namhlanje na 26. Siyambonga uNkulunkulu, siyambonga ubawo, siyambonga ongasentla ngawe. Awugcine akongezelele insuku zakho zokuphila. Siyavuyisana nawe ngale mini namhlanje. Yeah. Uwonwabe. Yes. Siyayazi zininzi izinto engqondweni yakho ngale mini namhlanje ezithi qatha uzicinga your achievements, izinto which were challenging, uzothi kangoku kodwa masibonga uba zonke ezo lessons ozifumeneyo kuyo yonke le minyaka zikwenze womelela, wayazi into yoba kakade ebomini akukho lula. Ya, funeka udlule ezintweni khona ukuze ukwazi ukuqhubeleka ubheke phambili. Ya, siyayi-understanda ke ufunde a lot ya kule minyaka engasemva. Ya, going forward siyatsho uba kukhulu okuseza ebomini bakho. Inkosi ke kusikelele. Enkosi siyabulela. Thank you.
So guys, if you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and of course click the bell icon for future updates. See you in my next one. Bye.